Well, if you want to know about how you go through, I'm a single person, one man operation. I go through Claude usage very quickly, and this is how. This is a very complex 708 multi-orchestration project right here. All right, let's send that out. All right. And then we got this guy over here. Oh, same thing. Let me, where is NF Tones? My NFT app, and also in the crypto. What we got here? Metaversal Studios. This one's pretty interesting. I'm generative AI, man. I'm solving the issue of it's hard for these in what are they called? Video generation AI to make the same clip similar to the next one and follow context. I've got a pretty good idea I'm building on right now. We'll go to that right over here in the actual Claude desktop. Oh, sequence time, sequence rotation for real this time. Okay, that's right. For real. I put so many things. This guy's gotta be honest. I put this I put this skill, it's called Claudely Cluewright. Saint Claudely Cluewright. Basically, he has to fucking be honest. It's his skill. Skills are big in Claude. If you're not using the skills or writing your own, then you're not utilizing Claude to its fullest capabilities.